Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable information and tips for living a healthy lifestyle with diabetes. And today's video is all about low-sugar fruits for diabetics. As diabetics, it's essential to be mindful of our sugar intake, even when it comes to fruits. But don't worry, there are plenty of delicious options that won't cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels. Let's dive right in. The first fruit on our list is berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these little powerhouses have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. Plus, they're so versatile and can be enjoyed in smoothies, salads, or as a snack on their own. Next up, we have the mighty avocado. Avocado is technically a fruit and is known for its healthy fats, fiber, and low sugar content. These creamy delights are not only delicious, but also help regulate blood sugar levels and promote heart health. Add some slices to your salads, spread it on whole grain toast, or even use it as a substitute for butter in baking. Moving on, we have citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C and fiber. Despite their tangy taste, citrus fruits have a relatively low glycemic index, making them safe for diabetics. Enjoy them as a refreshing snack, squeeze some lemon juice over your dishes, or make a delicious citrusy salad dressing. Now, let's talk about apples. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it's true. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for diabetics. The fiber content helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation and opt for whole apples instead of apple juice or processed apple products. Lastly, we have melons such as watermelon and cantaloupe. These juicy fruits are not only hydrating, but also have a low glycemic index. They are packed with vitamins A and C as well as potassium. Melons are a perfect choice for a refreshing summer snack or as part of a fruit salad. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as they do contain natural sugars. Remember, while these fruits are generally considered safe for diabetics, it's important to monitor your blood sugar levels and consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. That's it for today's video on low sugar fruits for diabetics. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon.